Hello! Have you ever thought about whitening your teeth? Well, you're not alone. Teeth whitening is the #1 requested cosmetic service and keeps on gaining popularity. There are different reasons why people are considering teeth whitening, but the most common ones are the following. To remove stains from teeth that are caused by our daily consumption of beverages and food. To have smoking cessation. If you're trying to stop smoking and you find it hard, having your teeth whitened could be a step towards achieving your goal, because you don't want to spoil your nice white teeth with stains that are caused by cigarettes. For special occasions, for example, such as wedding or class reunions, where people want to look their best. For job interviews, a nice white smile can help and create a better first impression when you go for that job interview. Aging teeth. The natural process of aging can cause our teeth yellow and look old, whereas a brighter smile is always associated with youth. It is non-surgical. There is no surgery required to have your teeth whiter. Instead, there are several options that are safe and relatively pain and risk-free. People that are investing in a better smile, they're considered and they're known to have a better oral hygiene. So whatever is your reason for wanting to have your teeth look whiter, come and see me at Leila Hariri Dental Clinic. We will talk about different options and costs and choose the best and the most suitable one for you. I'm Roxana, a registered dental hygienist.